I was actually trying to search on Google how to or what to do with the flowers, and I find out that you can actually use it as one of the ingredients to make some pasta, vegetables or vegan flavor, and use the flour, the chive flour, decorate it, and it's eatable. I was actually quite skeptical because I thought it's quite gifty, or I forgot the English word, but what I call this, poisonous. But it turns out not. So I'm going to try. I'm going to let them bloom, all of that, and I'm going to cut them and dry them and store them in an airtight jar. So I have a lot. And what more? I have a little diva here, sitting right there.